How to fix Facebook Inter mobile number. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go directly in the open apps option. Here on apps option search only for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and scroll down. Click now on storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do right now, guys, you have to go to battery. You have to click on optimize it, then you have to turn on your airplane mode and turn off it, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.